I really want to direct you back to also practicing, if you haven't been maintaining it, working on this basic stall drill, because this is going to start to become really useful. Let me show you how. I'm in a butterfly. I go into a couple different butterfly things, but now I want to go into a weave. Well, how do I do that? I'm going to stall to get into my weave. But now I'm in my weave and I do my weaves and I come into my pinwheels. Well, how am I going to get back to my butterfly? Well, I guess I'll stall again to get back into my butterfly. So the stall becomes a useful transition. If you can't do independent hand stalls, you can't change from same direction to opposite direction, and that becomes relevant. So you don't need to know how to do all of them, and the more of them you can do, the more flexibility you have, the more flexibility you have, the more variety you have, the more variety you have, the more interesting it is. So, you know, drills, they're good for your heart. The more you do, the better your art, the better your art, the better you feel. So do drills if you're for real. Seriously. I love that little rhyme. It's very silly, but it's also very apt. So